Hello all, today we will see the price volume screen in detail. So we have different indices for the price volume screen. Here you can select NSE, BSE, NASDAQ, that is US stock, and crypto. And you can select the time frame like daily, weekly and monthly. Based on that, price volume action will be shown. If you want to see the backdated data, you can select it from here. So we will see the different component here. So here we have symbol, information, sector, subsector, market cap, RS, that is relative strength, score and date. So this screen is for the particular stock, it is not sector wise. So all the stock which are showing the price volume action for that particular date will be come in here. So in the information column, here we have plus symbol. So if you want to save any stock in the watch list, then you can click on this plus symbol and it will save into the current watch list, or you can select the watch list. So if I click here, so it will ask you in which watch list you want to store it. So here you can select the different watch list. If you just click add, so it will got added to that watch list. If you don't know how to create watch list, just go to this chart tab, and here that power index is added. So here you can add that stock, or from there you can add. So if you want to create the new watch list, just click on this drop down arrow. Here if you want to rename, just click on that pencil icon. If you want to delete, if you want to create new watch list, create it from here, and from here you can create it. So now I have created one, and like if you want to add some other stock to that watch list, just click on plus symbol and that new watch list will be shown here. So you can add that. You can also check it here, so that stock is added here. The second one is if you want to see the chart, inbuilt chart, so you can click on this second icon, so that chart will appear here. So this is the inbuilt chart. If you want to see the TradingView chart, just click on this TradingView icon and that will open in the TradingView window. And if you want to see the screener.in for the fundamental screen, you just click on the screener icon and it will open that company and its information. So this is about that information, and this sector is in which sector this stock is belong to, that will be here, and the subsector, market cap, relative strength will be shown here. So relative, if you don't know relative strength, then you can check my other video. I have explained it here in detail. So and the score is nothing but the score is out of 10. So I have used the 10 different indicator and price volume action to calculate it. So these are the 10 indicator I used to calculate that score. If RSI is greater than 50, ADX is greater than 20, relative strength is greater than 100, that is if it is beating the Nifty, then that will also count. If relative strength is near 52-week high, so it will count that as well. If that stock is showing some volume blast, if there is sudden volume blast in that stock, then it will add the score. If that stock is coming out from coming out from consolidation, that will also count that. If it is showing both price and volume, then it will also score that. If RS is continuously trending for last few days, basically 3 days, then it will score that. If RS is suddenly breaking out from the previous range, it will also count that. And the stock price near to 52-week high, that also count that. So total we have 10 different this indicator, and out of that, if all the condition are satisfied, then score will be 10. Otherwise it will calculate based on the condition. So here 6 means, so for the Power India, score is 6 means out of this 10 conditions, 6 are satisfying. So based on this score we will get the promising stock. So if you see here, the stock is showing 8 as a score. So if you check, so it is metal stock. So we will see the better chart for that, because it is following most of our indicator. So if you want the promising stock, you just sort by the score and you will get the better stock. So if you see this, so this is the promising stock, and if you see the lowest score, it will not be that much promising. So it is not much promising. And and this chart will show the different indicator. So this is the main screen. Second one is RSI, third one is ADX, fourth one is RS. So if you want to see different indicator, that is, you can click on this indicator tab, and here EMA 200, EMA 150, EMA 50, and this three is by default selected. If you want super trend and Bollinger Band, if you want to select the different time frame, you can select on daily, weekly or monthly. And for this EMA, it is based on this time frame. So EMA 200 is for daily, and if you select it for weekly, then EMA 200 will be calculated based on week. So it will be EMA 40, this will be EMA 30, and this will be EMA 10. Like that it will be calculated. So if you want to see it in weekly, you can select it here and submit. So based on, so this will calculate all the screen on weekly basis. So here you will have the different stock. So if you click on that and here you select weekly, then you will get the price volume action for that week. So if you select the higher score, it will show the better chart. And one more thing, in the chart you will see here we have calculated the buy and sell system here. So C means close, means you should not initiate the new position here. If it is A, then you can add the tranche for that particular week. If it is H, then you need to hold that. Like that it is shown. So in the price volume screen, basically we are tracking the price and volume action for that particular stock. If that stock is forming the sudden price surge or volume surge, that will be calculated. If volume is increasing for particular 3 days, that will also get captured here. So if you see some sample, so just click on the stock, and here you can see the sudden volume spike as well as price spike. So that will be shown here. Here also you can see there is volume as well as price spike. Here is also you can see the sudden price and volume spike. So based on that it will shown in this screen. So if that score is higher, then the probability is that stock is making some good moves. You can track that. So this is all about this price volume screen. If you are not aware how to use this different indicator, then I have the separate video on this, you can check that. So that's all for this video. And one more thing, so this screen will get updated at 8 p.m. daily on market hours. So just make sure to check after 8 p.m. you will get the updated list, because we are getting the feed from NSE and BSE. And that's all for this video. Thank you.